I gave you my heart.
Hi guys. Alright, today we'll be doing on my channel, this is my very first video for YouTube, so today we'll be doing bleach. I'm going to show you how I bleach my hair from black, kind of normal regrowth colour there, which is kind of disgusting, black bleach to focus. How you doing, Sammy? This one. It's been a while since I bleached my hair. Last time I bleached it was probably about a year ago. I had my Coke and I'm all good. Got my cat. Sam, you want to say hi? Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. This is my little boy. He hates it when I pick him up, but he'll get over it. So I'm no professional. I have no idea on what I am doing. Yes, I have a disposable gloves. I have my mixing bowl. And I have my brush. Went out this morning and bought them all, so I'm all ready to go. So let's get to it. Let's get dirty. If I'm looking that way, it's because there's a mirror there, and I'm just not always, but I'll be mainly looking in the mirror to see what I am doing for the most part. I don't think I have enough developer in this, but we'll find out. Works because I've been wanting to do this for ages. I've been watching YouTube videos, which isn't probably the best idea. We all do it, but you know, it's life, it's hair. Hair grows back eventually. You know, can't really fucking do much else than damage it then on bleach. My hair's pretty healthy too, which is the sad part. I'm just going to be killing it now, putting this stuff through it. But hey, I want to change. It's going to be a new year on a new colour. I've always gone black. Kind of over it. Yes, it suits me, but who cares? I don't know more. It's time for a new look, new life, new area. Hey guys, so as you can see, the dye got rid of the black. It is a bit of an orange tinge. I did forget a little bit on a few spots, but that's okay. It's not as bad as I thought it would have been. I did do a second round of bleach. I just did a touch up on the tips where it was really dark and tried to get some spots that I forgot, but oh well, shit happens. I've got most of it now, so time to move on to the next part. Putting Panic Manic in, or or manic panic. Let's do it. Now, when I was rinsing the bleach out, after I finished rinsing it out, I did use my conditioner. It is, I can't remember the brand of it, but I know it's for damaged hair. So as soon as I rinsed it out, I put that in so it would prevent some type of damage to my hair from the bleach. So my hair still feels a little soft, and I think that's because of the conditioner. So, oh my god, I've never gone pink before, so this is gonna be a new thing to me and everyone that I know, all my family and friends, and to you guys. So let's see how we turn out. Now, my housemate has used this stuff before, and he said the longer you leave it in, the better the colour. So I'm gonna take his advice on that and leave it in for an hour. It does say on the pack for 30 minutes, but I'm a rebel, so I'm just gonna leave it in for an hour. I want the best colour out of it. I want to get much as I can out of it. So I knew I was going to need more. I should have grabbed more. So I'll have to tip some more in to my container. Didn't really get much out of it. Ooh. Blonde. So we'll see how this turns out. It might be dark in a few places, but hopefully it works well. I've got hair dye in the sink, my tiles, that's good. This is an old shirt. I was originally going to crop it, but I'm glad I didn't, because now it's going to be my new hair dye shirt. And every girl needs a hair dye shirt. So, sorry I'm not looking at the camera. I am looking into the mirror to see what I am doing. Well, as you can see, this is the finished product. It came out pretty good. It's a bit patchy, but kind of like it. I like the dark on the front, and then how it goes to the light in the back. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me over on Instagram at smiles_art_and_photography, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.